students. Today we are going to learn about opposite rays. Okay, yesterday we have learned about supplementary angles and complementary angles. So we will learn about opposite rays. So what is opposite rays? When the two rays which have a common origin. Origin means what? Origin means every ray has a origin and arrowhead. Okay, so wherever the ray starts from the point, that point is called as origin. Okay, and this is arrowhead. What does this mean? This means that the ray can be extended in this direction, not in this direction. This is end point. Okay, so when we have two rays with only one origin, common origin. Now if you see that this ray OD is going in that direction and OC is going in this direction, both of them are starting from the point O, so they are having common origin and they form a straight line. They are forming a straight line, right? This also, this CB and CA are forming a straight line. See, if I can draw the rays like this also, okay? So both these two rays are starting from the same line, but they are not forming a straight line, okay? We need two conditions, okay? One, their origin should be common, and the second, they should form a straight line. Then these rays are called as opposite rays. So here this OC and OD are opposite rays. Here this CB and CA are opposite rays. You cannot write like this, CO and DO. No, because ray will start from O to C. Ray cannot start from C to A. Okay, you have to take the origin first, OC. Here also you cannot write AC because ray will start from C. Just write this, make it clear, because in exam the options will be given ulta seedha, so you need to pay attention to the origin first and then you should name it properly. Okay, write down, pause the video and write this down. Now we will see what is linear pair of angles. Okay, now don't read this, just look at the diagram first and then we will move towards the definition. Okay, so this diagram, there are two angles. One is this and the second angle is this. Okay, if you look at these two angles, this AC arm, this arm is common between both of them, right? Both are having this common arm, and their second arm of this one angle and the second arm of the second angle, they are forming straight line, है ना? Similarly here, this arm is common. This arm is common between two angles, and this second arm of this and the second arm of this angle are making a straight line. Okay, so such angles are called as linear pair. Linear means line. Okay, linear means what? Along the line. So they are making a straight line, right? And one arm is common between them. So angles which have a common arm and the other arm of them forms a straight line, then the angles are said to be linear angles. Okay, now you have to write down the definition and also draw these two diagrams. Okay, so if I ask you to write the pair of linear angles, then angle ACB, this angle ACB and angle ACD is the pair of linear angles. And what about this? Angle PQS and angle PQR is the second pair of linear angles. Okay, so write down. And also you have to write that these two angles, if you add these two angles, they forms a straight angle, right? Both the angles are forming a straight angle. Straight angle is always equal to 180 degree, right? So this angle ACB plus angle ACD is equal to 180 degree. Same goes for this also. Okay, so this angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree. write up. So that's it for today. If you have any doubts, you can definitely ask me. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, watch the video, pause the video and write down. I will check your notebooks whenever I want. Okay, I want all of it in your notebook.